Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys if you need to remove and replace the vent holes, also known as PCV holes, on BMW guys generation F30, F31, F34. As you know, this is the 3 Series BMW from year 2012 to year 2019. So before we start, let me introduce you to the channel guys. If you need to buy new holes, parts, tools, we'll share the links in the description of the video below, and you can see where you can get all the parts and tools from for a really good price and quick shipping as well. Number 2, every single car we get at the shop, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. But specifically on this BMW, we are planning on having more than 500 videos. Why we do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information. Let me show you what we have and what we will be working on here now. So we'll need to remove the air filter box assembly, and we'll need to remove actually the upper engine cover as well. Stay with us, we're going to cover all that and then we'll continue. This is the hose that we're talking about right here. You can see you have the PCV system here. This is the vent hose, comes from the cylinder head, from the valve cover all the way to the intake right there. And I believe this is the heater for it, heating element, so if you have engine oil, okay, it's not going to clog up from the oil vapors. So now let's go ahead, start removing all that stuff and we'll continue. But before we do that, let me tell you, if you have this BMW, check this channel out, Electrical Car Repair Live. We'll have all the electrical videos, diagnostics, engine codes, airbag codes, things like that will be on that video, so on that channel. So definitely guys, subscribe. We'll have information that can save you thousands of dollars. So we'll start with the air filter box removal and the upper engine cover as well. So now guys, okay, in order to remove the air filter box, now you gotta stay until the end, because if you don't do something right, okay, you can damage your air filter box and that will cost you quite a bit of money. Many people actually break that connection right there, vacuum connection, and that could be expensive things to fix. So remove your engine cover. It has 3 rubber bushings, one on this side, okay, and then it slides out this way at the same time. Okay, perfect, like that. Now what you're going to do, you're going to remove that cover all the way guys, all the way. Pull that thing out, okay, perfect. And you can see that hose right here, okay, that hose right here will actually need to be removed guys. So this hose is the one that we need. And remember how it goes under the wires, okay, that's the hose that we need. That way you're not going to break your little thing. And when you're removing it, careful not to break that tab here. It's super simple to do it, and if you break it guys, okay, you will need to replace your valve cover, and we'll have the video and the link where you can buy one guys, so check it out if that happens. So disconnect that hose that goes, okay, through the air filter box. Check it out, perfect. And you can see now, okay, what else we need to do. We need to go ahead, okay, gently pull the hose out, and here guys we need to disconnect the hose and that hose, the intake hose, and we need to disconnect the wiring harness for the mass airflow sensor. You press right here, you pull it out, perfect. Now we just have that hose that we need to disconnect right here with a flathead screwdriver. So if you guys need help with anything, don't hesitate to leave a comment in the comment section below. Perfect. This one is coming loose. Okay, let's see if it's loose enough. Probably it is. Now what you will need to do at that point, you have 3 rubber bushings, 1, 2, 3. Grab and pull it up, okay, with 2 hands, so that way you don't break your box. Okay, almost came out. This one is a little bit tighter due to the fact, okay, it does come out, but it's just a bigger tap right here. Perfect. Okay, it came out. Now right here guys, okay, we'll need to come a little bit, okay, let me see how up it just slides up. That's where it sucks the air, okay, from the kidneys. Okay, now this hose is still holding here, so it looks like, okay, it's still not coming off. Okay, this hose is still having some tension on the box, so let me come this way a little bit. Okay, and see. Okay, I think we need to get the screwdriver and just pry it out gently. Careful not to break it. Grab it. Now that hose is going to come out. That's a piece that can break easily. Okay, and this one has been repaired in the past, so we'll have a video actually on the channel how to fix that one if that happens. Always cover your intake side. Okay, right here, and you can see the air filter box came out of there just like that. So now guys, your upper engine cover has three actually places where it locks to the engine. Grab with 2 hands firmly, careful around the oil cap, grab it with 2 hands, pull up, then pull right here to the front and pull on the side. Now gently lift up, come out of the oil filter cap and just slide it towards the front. Okay, on the back side you have two actually, okay, those 2 tabs, plastic tabs, they go all the way. Okay, let us show you down there. Now on some models, not all, we don't have any vacuum lines or anything like that, but if you have the turbo, okay, that has the manual actuator here guys, the wastegate actuator, you have a vacuum line attached to it, so you will not be able to remove that engine cover until you disconnect the vacuum line. So gently lift up, make sure you don't have vacuum lines running from the turbo actuator to the valve cover. You can see it came out. Now if you remove the foam piece, okay, right here guys, you have to be careful. Later you need to situate it to where you can actually insert the valve cover in the tabs. Okay, one is here, the other one is over there, those rubber tabs. So without that being removed, okay, check out the hose. Okay, it has 2 teeth, one here, one there. Okay, those. Okay, you push it up a little bit guys, push it up a little bit, squish those things and gently start coming out. Okay, and careful not to scrape yourself on the cylinder head. That O-ring will get stuck. Later when you install the new hose, always apply a little bit of oil guys. On the bottom, we have to disconnect the wire here, okay, for the heating element. Press down here, pull up. Now you have 2 more things, okay, check it out. 2 more teeth. Okay, and no, because like that it pinched my fingers. So it's important to squish both parts at the same time. Okay, and you gently pull it out guys. Okay, you can see it gets stuck. Now let me explain about that hose a little bit. They have a heating element here, okay, that warms up the hose, so you can see that sluggish thing is not accumulating here. If you drive your car short distance, it's very likely that you have a lot of vapor buildup in the valve cover. If you open guys, okay, the oil cap and you see a lot of vapor built inside or that hose, okay, you may have a bad PCV valve, and we'll have a video how to replace that one as well. That could be very dangerous for your BMW. So this is the hose right here. You can see how it came out. If you need to buy a new one, we'll put the link in the description of the video below. But putting it together, okay, practically is in reverse order. We took it apart. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.